Hey everybody, I'm here today with a very simplistic video of myself making an easy drum beat with a Stylophone beat. That's right, I'll be using this right here, which is my Stylophone beat, to make an easy drum beat. It's really easy to do. I'm going to show you how I can make a very super simplistic drum beat. I'm going to turn the unit on, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select drums, so we are choosing the drums, okay? And then I'm going to go to the one of the selections of drums that we have here. I'm going to go to the bottom one. I like that one. And I'm going to get my sounds that I want. So we're going to start off with, I believe this is the hi-hat, okay? See, excuse the other sound that I played there, but this is what we're looking for, okay? And then I think this is going to be the snare. Nope. There we go. I'm going to use that. That to me sounds like a snare. And then I think I'm going to use, let me try and find. We'll do that bass. Perfect. All right. So what we're going to do is we are now going to get the loop to start recording. So I'm going to hit play. And then I'm going to hit click. We now have the metronome. I like that tempo. Yeah, I'm good with that. And now we're going to hit record. And now that we have that color right there, you can see that we are ready to record. So we're going to just start, we're going to bring in the hi-hat. It might not be perfect, but it's going to be an easy drum beat. So let's bring in the hi-hat. Little variation, it's okay. I like that hi-hat. I believe this is the bass. We're going to bring in the bass. Bring in some snare. I like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to play. There we go. Sorry about that. I thought it was just going to keep playing. But I went back to play, so now we're not recording anymore. And we can just incorporate some other sounds. If I do say so myself, that is pretty good. So we'll speed it up a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, feel this one. Slow it down. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. All joking aside, that was a very simple, easy drum beat. You can do something like that if you have the Stylophone beat. Really easy to do. It's a great little unit, and it's really easy to learn how to do something like that. Super easy. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to make a quick video of myself making a very simple and easy drum beat on this right here, which is a Stylophone beat. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Other than that, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.